how to create a drop-down menu in WordPress. So we want to hover over appearance and then we go to menus. Give it some time to load. As you can see right here, you need to create a menu if you don't already have one. So simply create one. And after you have created a menu, you will most likely have other pages that you want to add to the menu itself. So what I did was I clicked on view all and then I selected the pages that I wanted added to my menu. And then we click on add to menu. As you can see, these appear. So how do we actually add a drop-down menu? So for example, let's say we want to put support under home when people hover over it. So all we have to do is go over the menu itself until this appears, the drag and drop arrow, and then we move it slightly to the right, and as you can see, the highlight moves, and that means that it has become a drop-down option under home. So it is as simple as that. So paste it right here and it will say sub item. So that's how you do it. That's how you create a drop-down menu in WordPress. Make sure you save your changes. So that's it. Hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and sub. I'll see you guys next time.